Visual Studio Code versus PyCharm. Let's get started. Now, Visual Studio Code and PyCharm are two leading IDEs or code editors in 2025, each catering to different development needs. So here's a concise comparison to help you decide which suits your workflow. So first, we have Visual Studio. It offers lightweight and fast execution. It also has highly customizations, and it has cross-platform support, and it's integrated Git support. Now, for PyCharm, it has Python-centric features. It also has a robust framework support, advanced debugging tools, and integrated tools. Now, for the downsides though, Visual Studio has and requires extension setups, and it has potential for extension conflicts. While for PyCharm, it has resource intensive and its cost for full features, which also has a steeper learning curve. So in conclusion, choose Visual Studio Code if you need a lightweight, versatile editor that supports multiple languages and offers extensive customizations through extensions, and opt for PyCharm if you focus on Python development and require a robust IDE with advanced features tailored to Python and its framework.